Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now, the next option that we are going to discuss is the template dropdown that you see in the middle of the primary toolbar in your site editor. Now, first things first, it displays the name of the template that you are writing. Currently, we are writing the homepage template, so you can see it right over here. Now, what happens if I select the hero section? Now, if I select the hero section, it displays the name of the template part that I'm going to edit. Now the next part of it. Now what happens if I select the this site title over here? It displays the name of the area that I'm going to edit. Now this makes it very easy for us to basically know what we are editing and what area does it belong to. Makes the job of basically working on a template part or on an area pretty much very easy. Now let's just click the drop down over here, and as you can see, this drop down has three options. The first one is the header, the second one is the footer, and the final option is the option that is the browse all templates option. So when you click on this browse all templates option, it takes you back to that same page where you will see all of the templates. Now let's just click this option for once and see it for ourselves. You see, it will take you back to the templates page. Now here again, it lets you create a new template. It's just a list of the templates that probably you have created or came with the theme. Now let's just go back to the site that we are editing. So you can see right over here. Now talking about the areas on a template, as you can see, the homepage template has two areas, the header and the footer. Now as you already know, the header will always contain the navigations, the logos, the site title, the social icons and stuff like that, and the footer will have other important links. Now what happens here when I click the header? Now when I click the header, it selects the whole thing. It selects the whole area, that is this one, this template. Basically it selects it. And what happens when I click the footer? It takes me to the footer area of the page. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.